So also we received in this box is this. Whoa. That's what I've been looking for. I needed it actually on Saturday because I had an exam, online exam, and it didn't come on time, even though I bought it 2 weeks back ago. So I went back to Amazon. I don't know what is the problem, and then I had to do it again. It came on Monday, which is today. My exam was last Saturday, so I had to go borrow a webcam from a friend. I'm really upset from Amazon. So that's the name of it. It's a webcam. So that's the company in China, I guess. Wow, this box is just like that. Webcam, that's it. Doesn't have any information at all. Webcam, that's it. What is the name of it? What is the brand? What? Just like that. Webcam, that's the name of it. Okay. There's no brand. It shows how you attach it to the laptop and everything. So this is how it came in. Whoa. Well, basically, most companies, they put a brand on their box. This has nothing on it. What? It doesn't have the name of the company. Just webcam. That's it. How could that be possible? This is really shocking. That's the stand. Wow, just webcam. Does that belong to a company? I know when I bought it from Amazon, there was like a company name and everything. So basically, I'll attach it here on top of this. And let's see how easy it is. I'm really upset. I mean, not upset, I'm really shocked. It doesn't have a company name at all. Basically, this is what I bought from Amazon. It should be like a name of a company. It's Akita HD Cam 1080p Akita, and so on. But it doesn't have any brand name or anything, as you guys saw when we opened it. So basically, this is it. It's like $79, $80, but as I say, it's shocking news. It doesn't have a brand, nothing. So yeah, I'll put the link for you guys under this video if you guys want to buy it. Okay, so let's see how we open it like this. So we just open it, put it here on the top. What is that? It's am I doing it wrong? How could it attach? So like this is gonna fall down. Is it like this? And then like this? What? Okay. Let's do it like this. Okay. Maybe it was like this. But what is shocking because it's not a brand. So I'll just open it from here, and then let's see. Can I do these? One of the kids just came. So that's how you do it with one hand. Can you hold the camera for me? It's already recording, but don't put your finger. So basically, it should be a webcam that has a mic, built-in mic. So this is how we're gonna attach it here. Sit down, and it should be connected to front sides. Maybe I can put it on the back if I want, but just for now. Okay. So, how do you guys think? Can we test how it works?
I think maybe when you make
we'll
it.
just go to live video. So let's see. Go to this page. It belongs to me. photo. Is there a live? Is there a live button? It doesn't.
No.
Right beside premium. Try.
Beside what?
Create.
Create.
Get out of here.
I get out of here, okay. So
And then
it's
there's live, yeah.
Okay, let's see if it gets me live. So here. Let's see. Waiting for live video. Okay, so the live should be here. But I don't see myself. Yeah.
I think maybe because it's not
Oh,
on.
here.
I think maybe because it's not on. See, I think because it's
Really?
red, it means it's not on.
Okay, let's see. Camera. We'll go to camera. Camera. And then I see it. So, oh yeah, now it shows your.
green there.
Yes.
Let camera access your precise location. Wow, now I see. Whoa, it is easy install. It doesn't need like it doesn't need a CD. It doesn't need anything. Just plug in and use it. That's good. And that's you see me there. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, like, and press the
Notification bell.
notification bell. Thank you. See you guys. Bye.